Well, morning. Or is it morning anymore? No, it's fucking afternoon.
We're walking in parking lot with a vehicle close to a space and tapped red flag. Paramedics were refused. The driver is refusing to exchange information.
Somebody doesn't want to exchange information. This is the Thot Patrol Raptor. I think this is a landfill that I'm in right now. It's nice when it's set at the front.
And for the 415, it will be near the entrance towards the left. The vehicle is going to be a silver Toyota 2010 SUV, California 8, Nancy, Henry, Victor 897.
White bag full of leaves. How do they know it's full of leaves? Did they stop and check, but they didn't move it?
10-4 on Flanders.
Flanders? This is sport mode. Sport mode. So I can blow all my gas.
10-4 on Grubilla.
Maybe I can use my sirens. That's kind of fun. So much going on at once, I can't keep track of all this shit. What did he say? Alright, here we go. Certainly not as fast as the SS, but gets the job done. It's gonna be... Oh my god, I gotta turn the fucking radios down here. They keep talking over me. The SS is gonna be done this week. I mean, it's technically already done. They just need to add one more antenna. And it's gonna be crazy. I mean, it's all red and blue now. No more amber and white shit. All red and blue. With a siren, real siren, straight out of Australia. Same light bar as they use in Australia. I even got the same pattern on the light bar, and the same pattern on the tail lights. The tail lights flash. They don't flash the headlights in Australia, but they flash the tail lights. So I got the tail lights flashing the right way. Like it's, I got the message board on the back of the light bar, exact same model they use. Like this is gonna be a real Australian police car in the US. That's insane to me. And the fact that I was able to build it pretty much from scratch. I mean, I personally didn't build it. Dan built, engineering built it. But I went out, scouted all these fucking parts for months. Literally months. To find all this stuff. Some from Australia, some from America, some from Canada. Like, it was a mess. But I got it done. So once that car is ready, once it's got that last antenna on, hopefully Monday, I'll be able to go and pick it up, and I'll put up a video of us picking up that car, and I'll show you all the stuff that's going on with it, you know, everything that's new, all the real authentic Australian shit. God, this guy is going, what is he going? 74? Feels like he's going slow, but I guess he's not really. Yeah, these radios keep fucking talking. Put it on Central. At least when something happens in Central, it's usually cool and not like a refusal to exchange information at the Costco parking lot. What kind of jerk you gotta be to hit somebody's car in the parking lot and be like, nope, sorry, yon. Fucking asshole. Can't see through the tent there.
FN stands for a male hitting a female.
Male hitting a female. Where is it?
24 John.
Cover.
6.
Central.
Field logging on. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's second watch time. Second watch is logging on. You know, you gonna tell me where it is? I mean, they did at the beginning of the call, but I didn't fucking hear it. Because I had to turn it off, turn it down. They were babbling too much.
For these routes, black male 22, wearing a gray hoodie with a black jacket over it.
He's wearing a hoodie with a jacket over it? I thought jacket was supposed to go on the inside. Why is he wearing a jacket? Wait, bro, look at this guy. He's so important, he don't need the plates. Everybody, that's, you know, everybody just knows it's him. You know, he doesn't need it. And his Lincoln Navigator looks suspiciously like a Ford Explorer from the back. But we don't need to talk about that.
For this told, no, I'm running after the female. Eastbound on F Street. Security was trying to break it up. The other half suspended female 20s. Wearing a black jacket, brown shirt.
Let's see if we can make it there in time. Eastbound F. If I had to estimate.
From 608.
If I had to estimate, it's probably at like 10th or 11th and F. Around the post office.
In front of this male is pulling the female's hair and is trying to pull off her shirt.
What the fuck? Go get that boy.
Russian John seen last southbound 707. He took his shirt off.
Oh yeah, it's just about right where I said it was.
Jumper, he's southbound on what street?
707th.
7th. Jumper.
Southbound on 7th and he took his shirt off.
7th. Southbound 7th and G. And he took his shirt off.
7th and J or G? G George or J John? That's what you're supposed to say, dude.
5.9 John. I'm with our potential victim at 600 G George. She's just walking away, refusing to talk to him. Yep. Victim is walking away, refusing to talk to you.
What the fuck? Oh, there's CHP. I think that's the... There was a... Before I turned the camera on, there was a call for CHP where somebody hit somebody else's car on the freeway and...
It's kind of loud over here, so I wasn't sure if it was here, but suspect last name taking clothes off and heading south on 7.
Woohoo! He's getting naked, boy! Hell yeah, that's what I call it.
Into the parking garage, northwest corner of 7th and Market.
Oh shit, he's going into parking on Market.
He went to the parking garage, northwest corner of 7th and Market.
Let's fucking go, dude. We're going to parking on Market then. Yeah, there's no victim, but that boy's naked. That's a crime, right? It's a crime to be naked, I think. Didn't they arrest SpongeBob for that one time? Yeah, it was when he had the invisibility spray.
29, so we're still kind of working on that.
Turn his fucking clothes invisible. Silly guy. There was a call for CHP where somebody hit someone's car, and the person it was their fault. They said, "Well, hey, I'm homeless. I got $300. That's all I can give you. If you don't want that, I'm leaving." And then they called back. They called CHP back and said, now the motherfucker's saying that if the cops take the homeless person's car, it'll be the victim's fault. No, motherfucker, that's your fault. What do you mean it's not?
So yeah, John, our potential victim here is clearly uncooperative and walking away, so there's no crime. There's no crime.
Oh, there's no crime. That means they're gonna leave that boy alone. That means we can go find him. We can go find him and bring him to justice. Not really. We'll probably just record him. Put it on the gram. Justice by the gram. Gotta get that content, boy. That content. The real content demon. I don't understand is if you're getting like some dude's beating the shit out of you, trying to rip your fucking hair, rip your clothes off. Why the fuck are you walking away from the people who are trying to help? Like that's what the fuck. Like I don't understand what goes through your head. Either that, or she's just really scared of this guy, and she thinks he's gonna like kill her if she goes to the cops. It's a shitty situation either way. Oh, thank you for
Check
jumping.
welfare 114th Street. The male said he had no emergency, but then advised he heard someone within the building say he needed a Narcan.
I need a Narcan. I don't think any junkie in the world is ever gonna say I need a Narcan. Well, that's gonna like they don't like Narcan. It blows their high. I saw a shirt yesterday. I saw a picture of a shirt. It said, "Stop, do not Narcan me, don't blow my high." Need one of those. That's gotta be like one of the most pleasant ways to go out, bro. You're not even aware that you're dying. You're just happy about it. You're just mad cheerful. Joyous, in fact. You can't feel shit. I forgot it was in sport mode. Sport mode really does make a difference. Oh wait, there's a big jump right here. Hang on. There's a big jump you can take. And there's another one. There's another one up here. Watch this one. Watch this one. That one wasn't as good. The first one was pretty good. Damn, what'd she say? Ooh, a parking space. What the fuck? I'm driving here, dog. You know, I'm invisible or something?
Yes. So large, too. That's what she said.
Well, the meter's got time on it. How much time it's got? Boy, I got an hour and 16 minutes on the meter. There's an hour and 16 minutes on this meter.
550 yellow, 1150 custom plate, Sam Union Lincoln Edwards Nora X-ray, PZ at 14th and Imperial.
Sam Union, Lincoln, Sullen X? Why is your license plate Sullen X? You really that sad? I would put this in here, but I have my gun in here, so I'll probably just hide it underneath that.
Okay.
Out of service. Out of service. Good luck breaking through these fucking back windows, you bums.